ഹലോ, എൻ്റെ പേര് നിതിൻ സുധാകർ. ഞാൻ നുവാൽസിലെ സ്റ്റുഡൻ്റാണ്. സോ ഞാൻ YIP 2019 ബാച്ചിലെ വിന്നറായിരുന്നു. ദ പ്രൊജക്റ്റ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തത് അതിൻ്റെ പേര് ലീഗൽ വെബ് ആർക്കൈവിങ്. സോ അത് എന്താണെന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ, so let's say we see something on the internet right now. It could be anything from the website or a news or a WhatsApp chat or a Facebook message. Now if we want to prove this at a later point of time, what do? We take screenshots, printouts, print screen, all those things. But unfortunately, these things that we have captured cannot be considered as an admissible evidence in the court of law. Then we kept wondering, like, what is the solution for this? Like, if screenshots are not admissible in the court, what is the solution for this, or how do we solve it? So then during my internship with the commissioner's office in Trivandrum, we explored that we lacked the basic infrastructure itself, and neither in the cyber cells nor in the forensic science laboratory we have the infrastructure to capture the content from the internet in evidence-free quality, so that we could submit a valid digital evidence in the court of law that would be accepted. So that's how, like, we explored the problem, and the solution started from there. So then we started exploring how this could be solved. So we understood that it has to comply with the local laws, it has to be captured forensically, and it has to follow the international standards. So considering all this, we made a tool which was called expert evidence. So this tool, what it does is that it captures content from the internet in evidence-free quality and then stores it complying with the local laws, international standards, and all this is done using forensic method. So now when this happened, it became a big news, and it was the front page news in New Indian Express, and it was covered in various other national medias as well. And then we further went on to test this. And then first we signed an MOU with the Bangalore City Police, then we signed an MOU with the Karnataka State Intelligence, and then we further went on to keep signing more MOUs, and more pilot runs were done, and then we successfully tested this product out. So that's the stage where we are in right now, and being from Nuals helped me with the legal backing for this, and the understanding in the computer science also helped, and there were a lot of people who has contributed well in this project. To name few, like, other than my institute, like, it's Susmit Krishnan, who passed away recently. He was the lead developer for this, and the assistant director of Kerala Judicial Academy, John Vergisser, and then Vivek Venugopalan, who is the ex-CTO of Wipro. He was the technical mentor for this, and we were also incubated in IIT Mandi. Apart from the supports we got from YIP, this is what happened, and now we are focused on scaling this up to bring this as a product which is available to the public through a website, and as a SaaS product for the law enforcement and government and the corporates. So if we talk about the social impact, so 2/3 of the cases before COVID in Delhi High Court had electronic evidence. Now we all know that after COVID, more and more of our activities have become digital, which means that more electronic evidences in upcoming cases. Now when we don't have the infrastructure to have a valid admissible electronic evidence in the court of law, digital evidence in the court of law, so the definite thing that's going to happen is access to justice, just because we don't have the infrastructure to do it. We are solving this particular problem, and then we feel that in the coming days, this tool that we created is going to become more and more relevant. If we talk about the challenges faced, there are a lot of limited resources, and then because it is a very novel product, and there is no other product where we could see and understand and study and then make new one. This was not a case of where I am making another Facebook, another Android or something like that. I didn't have a reference to look into to how this product should be shaped. So that took a lot of R&D. Pilots that we run with the state law enforcement and the lawyers help shape up this product, and the mentors and the people involved in this all help to shape this in the form how we see today.